Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so yes, ignite. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. 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 Okay, nice. Do this. Revenge. Okay. Ignite again. E. Too early. E. Okay. Q. Nice. Nice. Okay. Okay, heal. Nice. Heal. Heal. Okay, E. Heal. E. Okay, heal. Go to the top. Nope. Oh, what the frick? Okay, wait for the E. Okay. E. Okay, nice. E. Nice. Go to the top and chip. Nice. And then E. Nice. So that's our main weapon. Hold R. Okay. Heal. Yo, what? Nice. Nice. Heal. Shift. Get out of that zone. Shift. Get out of that zone. Shift. Get out of that zone. Heal. 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 Shift. Get out of that zone. Nice. Nice. Okay, nice. Bam! That's a lot of damage. Ignite. Nice. Shift. Nice. Heal. Shift. Get out of that zone. Okay, in here. Okay, then E. Nice. E. Nice. Heal. Go to the top and boom. Nice. Q. Heal. Then E again and E. Nice. And E again. Okay. And E. Okay. Nice. Go to the top again. Chip. Nice. Heal. Bring that one. Then E. E. Nice. And hold the R. Okay. Hold the R. Poke and F. Nice. Okay. So ignite. E. Nice. E. Nice. Shift. Nice. Okay. Shift. Okay. Get out of that zone. Okay. E. Okay. E. Nice. And nice. Finally! Bro, finally. Finally. This is... Okay. Yo, that's cool. That's so cool, bro. Yo, that's so nice. Yo, the curtain call. Okay. Defeat Puppeteer curtain call.